Alright, what's up everybody? A few guys drawing here, back with another video. Obviously from the title you can tell I'll be teaching you all how to draw COVID-19, also known as the coronavirus, for beginners. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is get a circle, which will represent the base sphere of COVID-19. We're gonna make that color gray, which represents most COVID-19 images. And then what you're going to want to do is select a bunch of triangles. Sorry about that, guys. I just haven't really been feeling. I've just been feeling a little bit under the weather as of late. But I'm still out here. I'm going to keep trying to make you guys videos. I also want to shout out Mrs. Kim and Mr. Dan, Day One fans. This video is mainly for you. I hope you all enjoy. But so, as I was saying, after you select the circle, which will represent the base and sphere of COVID-19, you're going to want to pick a triangle shape, and you're going to change that red. That is representing the little red things that I've seen in images. And then what you're going to do is you're going to want to just Control C that, and you just want to Control V a bunch of times, and then just kind of adjust. Whoops. Alright, and then I'll be doing that right now. And this is really starting to look like COVID-19, as you can tell. You can just adjust the triangle shapes to whatever shapes and size you want. Obviously it's not going to be perfect, but I think it's pretty darn close. I've done this a couple times already with the COVID-19 drawing, since it's pretty it's current events as of right now. So I've just been working, trying to hone in on my craft and just do a little bit better. So I'm going to Control C that, Control V, and then there's also some on the inside, so we want to add this to look like it has 3 dimensions. I know it's a 2-dimensional shape, but we can all imagine and think it's a 3-dimensional shape. Get these little triangle guys going. And then I'm doing this, so by doing this, just start getting your preferred drawing application open while you're watching me finish this up, because it's not much to do. It's a pretty simple thing to draw, but I mean, I figured I'd let you guys know, teach you. There's a lot of misinformation in this world as of right now, so I was thinking I'd get on here and I'd just kind of show you guys my way, let you become informed on your own, read about what you want to watch. And I'd say the best way to get informed is to watch Fox News. They're pretty much on their game right now, so that's what you want to watch. Ugh, jeez. I gotta get rid of this cough. Alright, so, whoops, don't want to do that. So just keep selecting it. We're just gonna make it look like it's 3-dimensional here. And then, don't think we're done quite yet. We're not out of the woods yet. See, now it looks pretty 3-dimensional, I'd say. Just kind of even it out a little bit. Yeah, it looks pretty good, I'd say. But it's not done. It's not done. There are also little orange things that I noticed. Little orange dots. So we're going to go back here, and we're going to go right to the little circle again. We're going to get it out here. We're going to do that just so we can use it for reference. Yeah, and then there you go. We'll get this little dot right here. We're going to Control C that again. And trust me, if I didn't want to Control C and copy and paste this, I could. It's just, I don't feel like, it's just time saving for the video for all intents and purposes. You can do however you'd like at home, but I figured this would just be a little bit easier. Oh no. Alright, so we're going to scroll back up, and there you go. That's COVID-19 for you. It's a good way to become informed now that you know what it looks like. You can watch out for it and whatnot. So thank you for watching. A few guys drawing out.